We can introduce a railing on the inserted stairs. To do this, in the Edit window, click the Insert Railing on Stairs icon. We choose the side of the railing position, then its distance from the edge, and to define the parameters, we enter Properties. We choose the posts. We define the parameters of the cross-section and the decor. Surfaces, i.e. the materials of individual elements, are selected from the program's library, or we introduce any raster image. We choose the type of filling. If there are only posts in the railing, then in the filling we choose empty filling. The same is done with the filling's border and fixings. Then we define the parameters of the railing. If all data has been defined, we exit the window with the OK button and confirm insertion in the balustrade insertion window.